Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discuss with you, Solyball Cooling Ace Portable Air Conditioner review. So you might be wondering, what is this Solyball Cooling Ace conditioner you may be hearing online? Well, Solyball Cooling Ace here is a portable, bladeless, evaporative air cooler, described by the brand as designed by a team of Silicon Valley engineers. Now, it works by drawing in warm air, passing it through an evaporative cooling cartridge, and releasing chilled filtered air through a wide-angle outlet. Now, runs on a rechargeable battery here, offers three intensity modes: cool, chill, and freeze, and operates at a stated noise level at around 20 dB. Now, how do you exactly use this? Now, according to the website, you just need to place the unit at a flat surface or mount it in a wall or on a wall using the included hardware, charge it fully via the included USB-C cable, fill the water tank with clean, cool water, press the power button to turn it on, and select a cooling mode here. Now from there, you just need to adjust the air outlet direction towards the area to be cooled, and when finished, turn it off and empty the water tank here if it won't be used again for an extended period. And also, according to the FAQ notes here, it filters incoming air as it cools and states it's safe to use around children and pets due to its bladeless design. But those are all in the website. Now, as for the pricing itself, now currently it's listed at around $69.75, so marked down from the original $139.96 reference price here, with free worldwide shipping, and it comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. Now the company address listed here is in the 7 Fields, Pennsylvania, USA. But if you do have any questions regarding the product, you could also reach out to them via their appropriate channels here. Like, you go to their contact section or page here, or even visit their FAQs if you want. But that's about it. If you found this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.